Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products into your Shopify, okay? So just log into your account in shopify.com, and once you're already on your homepage, go ahead and click products. It will be on your left panel. Now, once you hit products, make sure that you already have a copy or a saved file of your item or product that you wanted to add onto your Shopify, okay? Now, after this, go ahead and click add product. Now, I'll go ahead and put the title like a shirt because that's what I have here. And there you go. You just have to add a files. And I do have that already. There you go. Now you just have to add pricing. If, for example, it will be 500 pesos. Yeah, it's actually an option for you if you wanted to add comparative price. There you go. And once you're done with everything, shipping, custom information options, search engine listing. So just go ahead and hit save. And voila. It will be on under your product already. There you go. A canvas picture and a shirt. All right, and I hope this video helped you a lot and see you in my next video. Bye.